Hello guys, in this tutorial we are discussing about fourth kind of operators. Okay, fourth kind of operators available in Python. Okay, that is nothing but logical operators. Okay, logical operators. So in with respect to logical operators, we have three different kinds of operators. Okay, we have three different kinds of operators in logical operators. First one is nothing but AND operator, second one is nothing but OR operator, and third one is nothing but NOT operator. Okay, let us see all these one by one. Okay, let us see all these three operators one by one. First we will start with the AND operator. Okay, AND operator in Python. Okay, AND operator in Python will work. So if both the arguments, okay, if both the left operand and the right operand, if both are true, okay, if both are giving us true, then only AND operator will return as the true. Okay, then only AND operator will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, otherwise it will return false. So let us see how this AND operator will be working in reality. Okay, now if both the operators, okay, so first operator is nothing but AND operator. Okay, so if both the operators, okay, left operator and right operand, okay, if both are true, then only it will return true, otherwise, okay, if left operand is true and right operand is false, so in this case it will return false. Okay, now if left operand is false and right operand is true, in this case it will return false again. Okay, if both are false, anyhow it is false only. Okay, if both are false, obviously it is false only, because AND operator will return true whenever both left operand and right operand are true, then only it will return true. So let me tell you with one real-time example. Now let me take a value as I will say x value as some 10 and y value as some 20. Now my left operand is something like x equal to 10. So x is already 10 only, right? So this condition will return true. I am applying AND operator between this and this one. Okay, y equal to 20. So y is also equal to 20. I mean y is equal to 20 and also x is also equal to 10. So in both the conditions, okay, left operand and right operand are true. So that's why at the end of the day, what happening, it is true and true. So obviously it is true only. So in this way we can apply AND operator in real time whenever we have multiple conditions. Okay, in general whenever we have multiple if conditions, in those cases we will use this AND operator very frequently. Let us apply this AND operator with some other condition. Okay, now if I am checking x, my left operand will be x not equal to 10. So obviously x not equal to 10 is false, and y, okay, right expression will be something like this. Okay, y equal to 20. Here what I am doing, first off, this one is returning false because x not equal to 10 is obviously false. So false and true. So in this case also basically it will return false only, because it should return true, means both left operand and right operand both should be true, then only AND operator will return true, otherwise it is false in any cases. So in this way we can apply AND operator. Okay, in this way we can apply AND operator. Now let us move to the second operator, that is nothing but OR operator. Okay, that is nothing but OR operator. So OR operator will work that is nothing but OR operator. Okay, OR operator is quite opposite to AND operator. Okay, if both the arguments are false, okay, if both the arguments like left argument and right argument both are returning false, then only output will be false. Okay, then only output will be false, otherwise in all other cases it will return true only. Okay, let us see how this OR operator will work in reality. And now true or true. Okay, true or true. So in this case, okay, both left operand and right operand are true. So in this case it will return true only. Okay, whenever both are true, obviously it is true only. Now if I am doing true or false, So here we need to remember only one condition. Okay, if both the arguments are false, then only our operator will return false. Otherwise, it is true only. So in this case, obviously it is true only. Okay, next same thing we will do, okay, in another way. Okay, false or true. Okay, false or true is also false. I mean, sorry, false or true is also true, because if both are false, then only false, right? Here, right operand is true, so obviously it will return true. Okay, now we will see this last case. False or false. So false or false is also, I mean, false or false will be false. This is the only case, okay, this is the only case where we will get the false as output in our operator, because if both, okay, if both are false, then only it will return false. Otherwise, in all the condition, okay, or in all the other cases, it will return true only. So in this case, it is false. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Let us apply this. Operator for. Let us apply this OR operator for 2 to 3 scenarios. How we can apply in real time? Like, yeah, suppose here my x value is 10 and y value is 20. Now my left condition is x not equal to 10 or y equal to 20. So x not equal to 10. So this is what? False. Okay, x not equal to 10 is false. False or y equal to 20. This is true. So false or true will be true only, because if both are false, then only false. Otherwise, it is true only. And now x not equal to 10 or, okay, or y not equal to 20. Y not equal to 20. So in this case, what happens? X not equal to 10 is false, or y not equal to 20 is also false. Okay, in this case it is both false. Okay, both falses. Okay, this is the only scenario in our condition where we will return false. Okay, in all other scenarios it is true only. So in this way we can apply our operator for all the available conditions in Python. Okay, now let us move to the next operator in logical operator, that is nothing but not operator. Okay, that is nothing but not operator. So not operator will be applicable. Okay, it is simply, in simple words we can tell, not operator is a complement. Okay, not operator is nothing but a complement in Python. Okay, very simple. Like yeah, let us see how this will work for 1 or 2 examples. Okay, not true means simply it will return the opposite. Not true means what? False. Okay, and again not false means what? True. Okay, it is opposite to each other. Okay, negation of that it will return. Okay, so in this way, we can work. Okay, in this way we can work with all kind of 3 different operators. Okay, all kind of 3 different operators. Okay, three logical operators in Python. Now you guys might have got this doubt, like, can we apply logical operators for integers? Okay, logical operators for integers. In general what happens means like only 0 and empty string. Okay, 0 and empty string, only these two will be considered as false. Okay, only these two are considered as false. Okay, all other are true only. Okay, all other things are considered as true only. So let us check how this will work. Okay, for non-boolean operators. Okay, suppose if it is 10 or 0. So in this case what it is? True or false. Okay, 0 is what? False. 10 is what? True. So true or false is always true only. Now, okay, 0 or 10. So 0 or 10. So okay, it is 0 is what? False. 10 is what? True. So false or true. Again it is 10 only, because true. I mean 10 is true, right? So it will return true. Now empty string or some other string called as Python. Okay, empty string or some other string called as Python. Empty string is treated as false, and Python is treated as true. So false or true. So here what happens, basically false or true. So obviously it will return true only. True is what here? Nothing but Python. Okay, so in this case output will be Python. Now Python, yeah, Python or empty string. So Python is what? True here, or empty string is what? False. So true or false is obviously true. So here true is pointing to what? Python, so that is my output. Okay, so in this way we can apply. Now let us see for one or two more examples. Okay, 10 and 0. Okay, 10 and 0, let us see what happens. Okay, here it is coming 0 because what happens is 10 and 0. So in this case 10 is what? True. Okay, because anything other than 0 or empty string will be considered as true. So 10 and 0 is what? False. Okay, so true and false is obviously false. Okay, obviously false, because true. Okay, end operator, what happens means if both the operators are true, okay, if both the operators are true, then only it will return true, otherwise it will return false only. Okay, now same way 0 and 10. So in this case also what happens? False and true. Yeah, false and true means false only. So here false is pointing to what? 0. So 0 will be my output. So in this way we can apply all three logical operators for not only boolean values, for also integers and also string data. Okay, so basically in logical operators all will follow only one rule. Okay, end means end will follow true. Okay, if both are true then only true, that is the primary rule what end operator will false. Coming to R, if both are false then only false, otherwise all the conditions are true only. Okay, not means simply complement. Okay, simply find the opposite of that. Okay, if not true means false, not false means true. Okay, in this way all three logical operators will be works in Python for all kinds of data, not only integers, for booleans and also for strings also. Okay, I hope all of you understand these logical operators. Thank you so much. Bye.